now for Utah's most accurate forecast with Bob Bedore, weather rates certified 11 years in a row.
All right, now to our pinpoint weather forecast with some potential snow on the way. Bob Bedore standing by with the latest. Hey, Bob.
Hey, Jordan. Yeah, we've got some stuff coming, but Sundance looking beautiful right now. We're going to hopefully get them some more snow as we get going. Let's check our headlines and see what we've got. We've got a winter weather advisory. We've got a possible commute impact. We'll be talking about that. Some southern moisture. We do like that. And an active weather pattern that is going to continue throughout this week. And, well, there's a lot to talk about it. So let's get through it. You can see our satellite radar showing that the clouds we've had starting to move their way out. But you can see up north there near Boise, we got more stuff coming in. And that is what's going to trigger this. We got winter weather advisory from the National Weather Service put in place. You can see this along the Wasatch Mountains, Wasatch back there, and then Uintas. Going to be mostly in the mountains, but good chance we could see some of that. A few inches could be hitting your commute, especially if you're going along I-80. But I-15 could hit it Monday morning, so tomorrow morning, be careful if you're going to be driving. Not going to be quite impactful like we had last week, but there is still something going on. So tonight you can see good chance to get some rain start to make its way down into the valley. But as we extend that out going into the morning by, well, first of all, let's get through this night, 11 p.m. That's where we could start seeing a little bit of the snow making its way through. It's going to clear its way out during the morning, but you see it's starting to move its way central Utah. And then by the time we get into Monday night, it's going to be mostly again in that central Utah part. Looks like everything's clearing up, but then whoop, look at that from the bottom. We've got more storms coming up. Now, this is that southern moisture that's talking about. It's going to be hitting Tuesday into Wednesday for a little bit as it makes its way slowly out. We'll see some spotty showerness going on by Thursday. Should be a pretty clear day on Thursday, but you can see we've got something making its way. And as we bring that in a little bit more, well, we can see there's some snow starting to come there. And then by the time we get into Friday, well, we've got another storm on its way. So we'll be tracking that to see how it's going to go. Again, the one coming tonight, not going to be huge, but could still see 5 to 12 inches up in the mountains. And that's always going to be welcome as far as I'm concerned. Taking a look at our chance of precipitation. There it is for St. George down in southern Utah. The eastern part of the state, southern part, a better chance. But you can see continuing on through our own time here, our low temperatures as we hit down today. Well, it hasn't been too bad. It's been nice and, well, fairly decent as we get things going. But our temperatures that we're going to be looking at today, we're going to see well, that's not the one I wanted. That's not the current. Let's get out that door. Don't know why that one popped back up again. But gee, it's going to be in the 30s. That chance of snow going through most of the day as we've got our second storm coming. Region-wise, we're going to be looking at 20s, 30s for our lows, 40s, even a couple 50s as we get to our highs. We'll take a quick chance and take a look at St. George. If we extend that out, then you can see 50s, some 49s. We're going to be stuck at 49 for a little while. The chance of rain Tuesday and Wednesday along the Wasatch Front. Or we'll look at that rain and snow on Monday. But then that chance of snow Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Temperatures looking in the 30s for most of it. We'll be tracking that storm and that winter weather advisory throughout this night. Jordan.